Before removing your Sceptre monitor bracket, proper preparation is essential. The first critical step is to completely power down your monitor and disconnect all cables. Next, place your monitor face down on a soft cloth or towel. This protects the screen from scratches and provides stable access to the mounting hardware on the back panel. Now identify your bracket type. Sceptre monitors typically use either adjustable stands or wall mount adapters. Look for the VISA mounting pattern on the rear panel. These standardized hole patterns come in 3 common sizes. Essential tools for bracket removal include a Phillips head screwdriver, typically size number 1 or number 2. You may also need a flathead screwdriver to remove plastic covers over the mounting screws. For safety, an anti-static wrist strap is highly recommended. This prevents static electricity from damaging sensitive electronic components inside your monitor during the removal process. With proper preparation complete, you now have everything needed to safely remove your Sceptre monitor bracket. The next section will cover the actual removal process step by step. Begin the bracket removal process by locating any plastic covers over the screw holes on the back of your monitor. These covers protect the mounting points and need to be removed first. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the mounting screws in a cross pattern. This ensures even pressure distribution and prevents damage to the monitor or bracket. Most Sceptre monitors use standard M4 or M6 screws. Once all screws are removed, gently separate the bracket from the monitor back. Do not force it. If there's resistance, double-check that all screws have been completely removed. Store all removed hardware in a safe place for potential reuse. This includes screws, washers, and any plastic covers. Keeping the original mounting hardware can be valuable if you need to reinstall the bracket later. Understanding VISA compatibility is crucial. Sceptre monitors manufactured after 2020 generally use standard VISA patterns, but older models from before 2018 might have proprietary mounting systems. According to 2024 data, 92% of users successfully remove brackets without professional help. The average removal time is 8 to 12 minutes for most monitor models. Always verify VISA compatibility before purchasing replacement mounts. This ensures your new mounting solution will work properly with your specific Sceptre monitor model.